My daughter is here with her damn Nissan. Okay, so her check engine light on, and for some reason she think I really want to fool with this damn Nissan. I think I'm gonna call Fluffy Mexicanic, see if he can figure out what the hell going on. I don't even have a scan tool. I'm gonna have to use my generic scan tool to scan this thing and see to see what it is, what the problem, or see what the code is. I need to scan it and see what the code is first. But what the hell is she parked? I am not looking forward to this. Hopefully it's something easy, like an evap leak where she left the gas cap off. Y'all know daughters, they don't know how to tighten freaking gas cap. Is this it right here, a little red? This is the one, guys, her transmission went out. We had to put a damn, not we, she had to take it to the shop to get it diagnosed. It turned out to be that, yeah, the dreaded CVT transmission. So we got a new transmission in it now. So she's back on the road. I told her, if you don't service that damn thing, you still can be back to square one. So just because the trans new don't mean your problems are over. You ain't got to do nothing. Is this it? This look like it. Y'all hold tight. Huh? Get on the other side. Oh, they just smashed it. Oh, it could be blamed on it. Got to utilize one of my 3-time borrowing limits on a freaking scan tool. Hey, don't you got a generic scan tool that read a Nissan? Read codes on a Nissan? I need to scan this thing, see what the code is. My pod won't work.
The pod is down right now. I sent it up back to Oscar.
The pod?
Yeah.
No, this is a Nissan.
Yeah.
Oh, our pod is down?
No, there's a pod for this.
Oh, is it? A little dongle thingy? Oh, you got a stand? Oh, you got a little
This will
standalone.
just do engine or anything that.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's to give me the code. Yeah, I can use a little generic. Yeah. You can get these from AutoZone, Advanced Auto, all those little places. Let's see what's going on here. Oh man.
I hope it is simple.
CAT system efficiency. You got 2 codes. What is the other one?
She done hit that car and done knocked something loose in it.
Oh, they both CAT system efficient. Basically, yeah.
Cat. What, you need new catalytic converter?
Yeah. What is this? Oh, you out of
So when she
emissions.
hit you from behind, she tore it up. I knew it.
Put that on the estimate thingy.
You said
Let me see. So, damn. See, here's the deal, guys. She just was in an accident. Somebody hit her in the back. And y'all know how people are. They like to blame every new problem that they have on the wreck. Now, can your CAT converter efficiency stop? No, let me rephrase that. Can your CAT converter stop being efficient because your car get hit in the rear? It's worth the try. I mean, I would try. I mean, but in reality, I don't know, it's hard to say. But yeah, typical little, is this like a maniverter? So this little 4-banger. Y'all know our 4-bangers. No, that's not an exhaust maniverter like our little engines that we have on the Jeeps. Yeah, so this thing obviously got a CAT converter in the rear. Fluff dog, what you think? Guys, I'm gonna simply say she need a CAT converter and upstream and a downstream O2 sensor with 127,000 miles. But like anybody else, even y'all can lie and say you wouldn't try it anyway. We don't try to get that covered under the insurance. I mean, the light came on after the wreck. Is that a coincidence? Very likely, but we're living in a society where, you know, I'm not going to try to defend that, but yeah, naturally we're going to, the light didn't come on till after the wreck. Now you can do this when you get hit in the rear. You can bend the exhaust and cause that. Yeah. So I don't have a carburetor error. It very well could be bent exhaust pipe under there, causing restricted flow through the cat converter, which will in turn set that code. So I'm thinking when they get it in the air and see if they see that, they're gonna go ahead and cover it. But if not, she's just gonna have to pay. This little thing is reliable, guys. She haven't had any problem out of this. Everything except that transmission that had to be replaced. But other than that, yeah, this thing been holding up well. Checking the light on. Oh, look at that battery. Yeah, see, Mopar, we don't do battery terminals like that. No, we Mopar, no car. All right, let me figure out what the hell. I'm gonna turn it off and see. I don't know if I should turn it off. I don't know.
So that would have been affected by me getting my car hit from the back?
If the exhaust is bent, it would. I don't know if the exhaust is bent because I don't have it in the air. But yeah, you
Can you send the code?
well, you gotta take a picture. Hold on, let me. It's 1 and 2. Yeah. Now I'm guessing you can erase this, but what? Well, I don't know what good erasing it gonna do if you need the proof.
Keep it up.
Yeah, keep it on there.
They said they gonna have the adjuster come out, and I'm gonna have to take it to body shops and stuff. Terrell was just trying to make sure it wasn't nothing that he needed.
I don't think I have it ready yet.
Yeah, cat converter, it's gotta go in the air. Exhaust gotta be done. So that's all you
They
can do.
gonna total out my car?
No, that's not what it means. It ain't enough to total out. You know what I'm saying? You can try to get that included in the accident report. And if the exhaust is bent, you probably will. But yeah, what y'all think? This ain't enough to total. Just a little. Yeah, that ain't enough to total. Alright, she's getting ready to leave. Let me go return this rinky dink code reader, guys. It's not a scan tool, it's merely a code reader. Alright, so I'll let y'all know what happened as far as will they cover it. But yeah. My man drove his motorcycle. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. She got a cat coat. I know, right? 127,000 miles. All right, guys, I gotta go. So, thanks for watching.